Welcome to Motor Insight, your go-to channel for in-depth bike and car reviews. Today, we're looking at the 2025 Keeway V302C, a budget-friendly cruiser with serious attitude. Let's dive in. Design and build. At first glance, the Keeway V302C looks premium, with its muscular fuel tank, sleek LED headlamp, and beefy exhaust. It has a low-slung stance, giving it a true cruiser appeal. The blacked-out engine and minimalistic design make it stand out in its segment. It definitely takes inspiration from more expensive cruisers, but does it feel premium? Let's find out. Engine and performance. Powering the Keeway V302C is a 298 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, producing around 30 horsepower and 26 Nm of torque. It's liquid-cooled and fuel-injected, making it smooth and responsive. The belt drive system adds to the premium feel, and unlike chain-driven bikes, it's quieter and requires less maintenance. But how does it ride? Let's hit the road. Riding experience. On the road, the Keeway V302C feels planted. The low 690mm seat height makes it comfortable for riders of all sizes. The riding position is relaxed, with forward-set foot pegs and wide handlebars. The 41mm front forks and dual rear shocks provide a smooth ride, but on rough roads, it can feel a bit stiff. Acceleration is decent, and for a 300 cubic centimeters cruiser, it holds its own on highways. Features and technology. Keeway has equipped the V302C with a modern digital instrument cluster, full LED lighting, and a clean, uncluttered handlebar setup. The single-disc brakes at both ends, combined with dual-channel ABS, offer solid braking performance. It may not have all the fancy electronics of high-end cruisers, but it delivers where it matters. Final verdict. So, is the Keeway V302C worth it? If you're looking for an affordable V-twin cruiser with good looks, decent power, and low maintenance, it's definitely a great option. However, if you crave more power or high-end features, you might need to look elsewhere. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the Keeway V302C? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Insight for more reviews.